We've renamed the file. Let's go ahead and delete it. So to do so, let's get the name. So we're going to do ls my first file, and it's really easy, rm my first file, and hit enter. I'm going to show you a couple of options on this which are really useful. I'm also going to go back a level. You can run rm-r for recursive. So if you have a folder, this will go through every item inside the folder. Sometimes when deleting lots of things, you might get asked, do you want to delete it, yes or no? And you can pass in a flag, which is -f. This essentially auto-approves and forcefully deletes everything. Now, as an added bonus, I'm going to show you the one command you never want to run as sudo, which is this: rm-r-f and a /. That / represents your entire Linux file system. This is the equivalent of C:\\. So you can imagine if you went ahead and deleted that. Now, if you're running this as sudo with -f, it's not going to question it. It's going to go ahead and run it. There have been some things online where people have tried to trick people who are new to Linux by getting them to type in this command on their system, and it completely wipes it. So if you see this command come up and someone tells you to run it, absolutely don't, and especially don't do it as sudo. We've renamed files, we've moved them. Let's look at copying them next.